Hey guys, this is Aisling Duffy from AskAisling.com. Today I want to talk about 6 content creation ideas that you can use in your business and that you can start using straight away. So when we get into network marketing, we bring our business online, we're always looking for ways that we can generate leads, and we do that through our content and what we put out to the general public and to the people that are following us on a daily basis. But a lot of people really struggle with what they're going to post about. What content can I come up with? How am I supposed to find content? I don't know what to do every day on my Facebook page or on my Instagram page or for my Twitter posts, whatever it might be, whatever social media platform you use as a general rule. It doesn't seem to matter. Either way, people will struggle. They're not really sure where to find content and what to actually post on a daily basis. So I have 6 different types of posts that you can use on a daily basis. Well, not that you use all 6 of them, but 6 different posts that you can pick and choose from on a daily basis and mix and match them all up so that you have different ideas and different things that you can put out there. So the first post is entertainment. So people come onto social media, you may have heard this many times, people come onto social media to be entertained. They stick around for the value and the education that they receive, but they don't initially come onto social media to be sold to. They come on to be entertained. So different types of entertainment posts that you can put out there. Something that's funny, a funny video, a funny story, something that happened to you that you think other people would be interested in hearing about. They might get a bit of a giggle from. So just lots of different things that will help entertain people when they stop by your page. The second thing that you can do is lifestyle posts. So people love to see what everybody else's life is like. Pictures of them with their family, pictures of trips you're on, days out, silly things you've done around the house, getting work done on your house, your pets, whatever it might be, when you're heading out for a walk with the dog in the morning. People love to know what you're doing. You don't need to post about every minute of your day, but it's good every now and then to share something about your lifestyle and what goes on in your life, because again, social media is about entertainment and relationships. So getting to know the people that you're talking to, getting to know the people you're friends with on your page. So especially if you're in business, people don't want to just see the business posts. They want to see a bit of you. They want to find out a bit more about you so that they can build up that know, like and trust factor with you. And using lifestyle posts is a great way to do this. Then the third one is inspiration and motivational posts. So people love to get a bit of inspiration. They love to be motivated. They love to see those quotes that kind of give them a bit of a push. Especially, you'll find sometimes you might post something that's quite motivational and you'll get a comment on it saying, "Oh, I really needed that today. Thanks very much." Sometimes people are a bit down about their business, about what's going on in their life, and some inspirational post or some motivational post will just give them a bit of a jolt where they go, "Yeah, do you know, I can actually do it." Because especially around business, when it's not going as well as you'd like it to be, people can kind of slump down and feel that maybe maybe the business isn't for them. And seeing that bit of motivation, that bit of inspiration where, you know, it's a post saying, you know, you can do it, you're able to, you have value to give, whatever it might be. And you never know what a post like that can mean to somebody else. Or just saying, you know, I put a post up my page today saying, you know, you're all amazing and have a fantastic day. Because you have to remind people love to get that bit of a boost in their confidence. They love being told, "You're great, you're fantastic." And don't we all love that little bit of niceness and positive attitude from other people? So yeah, just some motivation, some inspiration is a great, and especially first thing in the morning, it's a great way to start off the day. So the fourth thing is some value or education. So this really, like for me, it's the big one, because a lot of people will use their business, their, join my company or their product posts, and they'll post them all over their page. They'll post them all over social media. People don't want to see that. People want to know, what are they going to get from what you can offer them? So it's not about posting pictures about your product and saying, this is absolutely fantastic product. You can lose so much weight in it. People want to know the benefits of the benefits. They want to know, how am I going to feel when I lose all that weight? Do you know? And they want to know tips around, whether it's weight loss products, and you can put out tips around losing weight, low calorie meals, the best type of exercises to do for different parts of your body. So there's lots of different things that you can educate people on. And it's very easy to find this information online. Go out, you find some information that you think your followers will be interested in learning about, and you put it into a video, you put it into a blog post, you put it into a post on your Facebook page, or your whatever platform it is that you use, whether you do YouTube videos, you do Facebook Lives, you do Instagram Lives, whatever it is, and give that information out and teach people something. Then you become somebody of value. You become somebody who is a leader in the niche that you're in, that you're not just one of those people who's just spamming your timeline with your products and your business opportunity. Providing people with value and education in the area that you're working in. And if you're looking to get more and more leads for your business, the more you educate others, the more valuable you become, the more you'll have people coming to you, rather than you having to go out and chase them. So this one, I find these type of posts really are the most important posts that you can do. So just make sure you're not spamming your page, that it's all about value, it's all about education. So the next one is conversation posts. Conversation posts are really good ones to get people talking. So with all the changes, especially on Facebook is generally the platform that I use. Facebook changes its algorithm so often, and recently it made some changes to the algorithm so that a lot of the posts that were looking for one-word answers, where you were just trying to get a reaction from people, just to get that post up higher in the newsfeed, Facebook decided, well, they're not actually offering anything of value. There's no conversation. It's, if you're scrolling by, say hi. So everybody underneath is just saying hi, 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 hi. Facebook are looking for you to be engaging with people, and people to be engaging with you in a more meaningful way, that you're providing things that are more valuable and more educational. So, conversation posts can be a great way to get a conversation started on a particular topic. So you might say, I'm really not sure where I want to go on my holidays this year. I'm looking at a couple of different areas. Where has been your favorite place to holiday, and why? Will it be good for families or whatever? And it's about getting a conversation started, so people will put comments that are all very different. Where you can continue the conversation within the comments. So if someone said, well, I love going to Cyprus. Okay, well, why was that your favorite place? Do you think it would be good for couples, or whatever area you went to? What was the best thing about it? So you can keep the conversations going, and those who are interested in travel will actually find it quite interesting as well. So it's just about coming up with different things that you can actually have conversations with. They're not just one-word things, because you've probably seen it yourself a lot on Facebook. I've noticed it quite a bit recently. If you're scrolling by, stop and say hi, and you have person after person after person with the exact same post, and it's just like copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Facebook doesn't like that sort of stuff anymore. So it's about making sure that you're providing something where you can get conversation started. So the conversation post is a really good one. And then the last one is just promotions. So, we talk about all the different things that you should do on your profile page, on Instagram, on Twitter, whatever it is, about educating, about inspiring, motivating, showing people what your life is like. But you also don't want to forget about promotions, because at the end of the day, you get into a business to make money. You don't want to be putting it out there in people's faces that you're just trying to make money all the time. You want to do other things to attract them to you, so that then you can put a promotion in front of them. So it's just about always remembering that 80-20 rule, that 80% of your posts are teaching, they're motivating, their lifestyle, and only 20% are to do with promotions. But it's also the way in which you do the promotion. So you could, depending on who you're with, but you might have a free training that you could give away. It's not necessarily selling anything. You might have a paid training that you'd like to sell. You might have a product that you want to sell, but you want to I suppose, attract people to you by putting out a curiosity post around it. So like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I lost 10 pounds in the last 2 weeks, or the last 3 weeks, whatever it is. I'm really, really loving this new product I tried. And that's it. Or you might say at the end, if you'd love to know what I'm using, drop me a comment below and I'll send you over some information. So that when people actually comment, because you haven't said, hey, I'm using X, Y, or Z product, look at this fantastic shake that I'm using, look at these great pills that I'm using. People can go off and Google that product and get they'll see bad reviews, as there always is, talking about it's a scam, it's this, it's that, it's no use. You want people to stick with you, so you want to be able to give the information. So by doing a curiosity post that will bring people to you, asking you, yes, can you please tell me what it is? There you have a lead, you have a prospect that you can have a conversation with before you actually give them the information about the product that you're actually using, to find out what it is that they're looking for, what they've tried before, and where they want to get to, and whether your product will be something that will be of benefit to them. So just make sure when you're using the promotions that you are creating curiosity, rather than just sticking up a picture of your product. This is my fantastic product, would you like to try it out? People don't really want that stuff just thrown in their faces. So they're my six content creation ideas. The first is entertainment, the second is lifestyle, the third is inspiration and motivation, the fourth is value and education, the fifth is conversation posts, and the sixth one is promotions. So just always remember, as I said, stick to the 80-20 rule, and you can't really go wrong. But make sure, again, with your promotional posts that you're putting them out in a way that is drawing people to you rather than pushing them away. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value from it. If you did, please feel free to like, comment and share with any of your team members that you think would benefit from it, who are maybe struggling to come up with content and what to post on their profile, on their Instagram account, whatever it is. So I hope you enjoyed it, and again, feel free to pass it on to any of your team members you think would benefit from it. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you all soon. Take care. Bye.